Let's solve for x. Take 2. Let's solve for y here. The equation is 16 power y equals to 4 multiplied by 4 to 4. To do it, let us square both sides. So you square this one and you also square this one too. 4 to 4. You square it. You do it here. Left hand side will be 16 to the power of 2y and equals to these two will do away with this one. So here become 4 squared times 4 to the power 1 to 4. Let us do something here. This one I can write it as 2 raised to the power 4 all to the power of 2y, which is equals to 4 to the power of 3 to 4. Let's continue. So here you have 2 to the power 8y will be equals to 4 cubed multiplied by root 4. So we see how one root to go. So you square both sides again. You square this one. You also square this one. So if you do that, this one will become 2 to the power 16y equals to this one you have 4 to the power 6 multiplied by 4 to the power 1. So it has become 2 to the power 16y equals to 4 to the power of 6 plus 1. So 2 to the power 16y equals to 4 to the power 7. So you can still break this 4 to base of 2. So 2 to the power 16y will be equals to 2 to the power of 2 times 7, 14. So this one will go. So you have 16 over 14. 16y. 16y over 14. Remember, we are looking for y. So divide both sides by its coefficients. So we go. So y will be equals to 14 over 16. 2 here, 7. 2 here, 8. Therefore, y is equals to 8. 7 over 8. And that's the answer. Thank you for being here.